Hogwarts, small and gray, lives a boy who dreamed all day. Found a ladder, off he goes to a place where magic grows. One's up high, stars so bright, casting spells in the moonlight. Fly like owls, swift and free. Welcome to the wizardry. Friends with hearts so brave and true, Ron and Hermione join the crew. Through the halls of Hogwarts wide, adventures waiting just inside. One's up high, stars so bright, casting spells in the moonlight. Fly like owls, swift and free. Welcome to the wizardry. Friends with hearts so brave and true, Ron and Hermione join the crew. Through the halls of Hogwarts wide, adventures waiting just inside. Whispers of magic in the air, secrets hiding everywhere. Together we will stand so tall, facing every rise and fall. One's up high, stars so bright, casting spells in the moonlight. Fly like owls, swift and free. Welcome to the wizardry. Wizardry.